Now I will show you how to repair an Arduino board and how to upload a bootloader, how to burn bootloader into Arduino chips. This board got damaged about 6 months ago. Back then I had another board, so I didn't really care much, and well, I didn't want to order a new Atmega chip because, well, it wasn't needed back then. But now I want to give a board to my friend, so I decided to repair it. Well, not every Arduino board can be repaired. You need one that can that has a socket, so you can replace the chips. Also, you have to make sure that the part that's broken is the chip itself. As you can see right now, it's connected to the USB port, and you can see the power LED is on. Also, when I plug it in, I can see that that the computer, that my PC, well, can well, how should I put it? That the serial port is recognized by the computer. When I try to upload sketches, I can see that the RX pin flashes, that the TX pin doesn't. So the FTDI chip, this chip right here, the one that's responsible for converting USB to UART communication, works, but for some reason the chip doesn't respond. Well, it doesn't respond because I damaged it. Well, so you can buy a new one, and well, you can now get quite a lot of chips which already have a bootloader. And well, this one didn't have a didn't come with bootloader. I well, burned it myself into the chip, and you can see the blink example. It works, but in case you you get a chip that doesn't have that doesn't come with bootloader, you can burn it yourself with another Arduino board. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. To do so, you need either well, a standalone programmer, or you can use another Arduino board. You have to connect several pins. I will show a schematic for you because well, I understand it will be easier to understand in that way. Okay, now it's ready. In order to use the board as the programmer, you have to upload a sketch called Arduino ISP, and I've already done it. Now, once it's done, you have to connect the board, then select, of course, once it's uploaded, right? You have to change to Arduino 2009, the board, or any board you are burning the bootloader to, and then select option burn bootloader, and I will do it now. Okay, I now selected the option, and you can see that the chip is currently that the bootloader is currently burned to the chip. It's currently being uploaded. Also make sure you use the newest IDE you can find, because some older versions had some problems with it. You could get some error messages. And it's done. Now when I plug it in, you can now see that that the blink example is running on the chip. When you burn the bootloader, you also get the blink sketch as a default sketch. It was the same when you bought your Arduino board. Well, it came with the blink sketch already uploaded, and the board is now repaired. That's all.